I'm Jacob Helmrick with the agency by Tariq El Musa, powered by eXp Realty, and today I wanted to cover 10 home improvements that won't break the bank. Number 1 is painting or refinishing the cabinet. 2 would be a fresh coat of paint on the interior walls. 3 is refinishing the hardwood floors. 4 would be updating mirrors. 5 is changing out the hardware on either the kitchen cabinets, the drawers, in the bathroom, or even a laundry room. 6 is exterior improvements, like painting the front door or getting new house numbers. 7 is landscaping. Number 8 is to repurpose wasted space. Number 9 would be to update the bathroom. And number 10 would be to finish the attic or the basement. While this project is more expensive, you will see a higher return. So there's 10 home improvement projects that you could take on without breaking the bank. If you want to learn exactly what projects are worth doing to increase the value of your home versus just maintaining its value, feel free to click on the video above. I'm Jacob Helmrick with eXp Realty, and I help people sell their homes the fastest and for the most amount of money. To learn how you can do that too, schedule a complimentary strategy session with me by clicking the link below. We'll cover any changes you should make to your home prior to going on the market. And we'll cover how my 27-point marketing plan is proven to get a high number of buyers looking at your home. So don't delay, click that link below, and I'll see you on the other side.